Afternoon.
Very good afternoon, ma'am. And how are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm pretty well and hearty. Thanks for asking. How is life treating you?
It's really good. And today is weekend, so it is rest day for me.
Weekend. Okay. You do
Mhm.
do you do any job?
No, no,
Tell
for
me
my
something
children.
about yourself in a
Yeah,
brief
yeah,
because
yeah, yeah.
we are meeting
Mhm.
very first time then introduction is very
Yeah,
important.
yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for accepting my offer. And as you know that, ma'am, my name is Sangeeta. I live in Noida, UP. And I'm a mother of two wonderful children. And about my qualifications, so I have an MCA degree, and after that, I was working as a software developer. But after my children, so it was difficult for me to continue my job. So that's why I had quit my job. Now I am upgrading myself to get a better job in IT field. So that's why I am upgrading in IT field, and also I am upgrading myself in learning English.
Okay.
So
And
yeah.
you didn't say about YouTube channel.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I have also recently created one YouTube channel. I just forget all these things about my YouTube channel because I am here to practice to enhance my skills. So that's why in every video or in every conversation, I just forget to tell about or speak about my channel. So my channel's name is Learn English with Sangeeta Steadily, where I upload all the conversational videos, and there are so many solo videos before uploading any conversational videos. I had also means created some solo videos. So so just I
Mhm.
upload all these videos on my channel.
Nice. It's very glad from your side. We can say you have done so many things. You have done MSc,
MCA, master in computer application.
MCA.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, MCA. Okay, then yeah, it's very hectic because I also was teacher. I left my journey because it was not my cup of tea. And when I used to come back from we can say school, then it was very hectic because I couldn't manage everything, school as well as housework. So then I
Mm-hmm.
left. And now I thought, yeah, I have time, then I should join my children's school. Hindi is not allowed there. Then I had to learn this language, and somebody suggested for this. I didn't aware. Actually, before 1 year, 1 year ago, I joined one Skype.
Mm-hmm.
Without asking, I am explaining the we about me.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, my name is Seema. I'm homemaker mother as well. I dwell in Kanpur, UP. I have done PG. I was teacher. I loved the journey, and now I want to be a teacher of spoken English. I have started teaching at home of spoken English as a tutor. So
Mm-hmm.
because I want to learn this language, I want to articulate my language with the students while uploading videos, while teaching with the student. So now I want to grab everything by doing this type of work. And if you want to know about my hobbies, there are so many hobbies I have: dancing, cooking, speaking, humming song. So I want to do
Mm-hmm.
everything in my life because I left. Now I got time. So now we can say I want to do so many things because do something better than nothing in my case. That
Mm-hmm.
is a
Yeah,
better.
yeah,
So yeah,
yeah,
now we are getting social media, and by the social media we are connecting. That is a big opportunity for ladies especially.
yeah.
So now we are connecting and I'm getting advantage day by
Yeah,
day.
it's really great, ma'am, because I watched so many videos of yours with English Fairy Tutor.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So actually, I have been uploading video with the English CRE for I think 3 months,
Mm-hmm.
4 months. Hmm. So before that, we can say, yeah, I have been uploading videos on my channel for 5 months. So for that,
Mm-hmm.
I was not so much good. But after connecting with the English CRE, you can see कि if we are able to connect with the English CRE impromptu immaculately, then we are good. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm feeling glad and I have confidence while connecting them. So yeah, lifetime process we can say. I want to be a trainer like them because now I have started teaching. And in
Mhm.
front of a student, as a teacher, we should have courage and we can say confidence as well as. So
Mhm.
now I'm getting, and they also say you have confidence. Don't worry, you can teach and you can upload videos.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It seems on your face. I realize it. How much you are
Yeah, but
excited, you are thrilled. So it seems.
yeah, we can say that is a lifetime process. If we think,
Mhm.
yeah, that is a ITAS English after learning, after giving exam, then we keep everything in a bag, a school bag,
Mhm.
and we can jump in a next class. That is not like that. We
Mhm.
have to speak every day. If
Yeah.
you want to be a good speaker, fluent speaker, and good YouTuber, then you have to speak
Mhm.
because as a YouTuber, as a teacher, we should be able to, we can say, able to speak in front of every person, whether they are beginner or trainer, we can say.
Okay. So when you
Mhm.
created your channel, ma'am?
Yeah, actually, I told you 1 year ago, I decided for learn this language.
Mhm.
So then I joined one Sky, but now it has been shut down. So
Mhm.
then I saw there's so many people YouTuber, and
Mhm.
they actually uploaded my videos. These were not good, and I created my YouTube channel. I uploaded 5 and 6 videos. These were not good. Then I stopped, and then I started to talk with the person, audio and video while practice. Because
Mhm.
I had to do practice. I was not aware of this because in a audio call and video call, it's very different. In a audio call, we can talk while doing any work, while laying on the bed, outside, we can talk. But in a video call, if somebody wants to record this video, then we should be aware of this. We should see it with the confidence.
Yeah. And we should be conscious while recording our video, right, ma'am?
Yeah, and we should be able to listen everything because listening power also very important. That is the reason we are given 2 ears, one mouth.
Yeah. Listening, I think, means you are saying that yeah, we have to listen more and speak less, right?
Yeah, so that is a very. But
Mhm.
while doing practice now, we are not advanced level. We can't say. I can't say
Mhm.
for myself. I'm not advanced
Mhm.
level person. Then I have to do practice. For practice, we have to speak more and more. But after
Mhm.
become an advanced level, then we have to speak less than listening.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So say something. When did you start the journey? How did you start the journey? You were also teacher. You left now.
No, ma'am. Means I was not working as a teacher, but currently I am giving coding classes to the students because to when I think yeah I should upgrade myself. So and my son who is so much passionate to learn coding, so that's why I started coding classes. So I conduct coding classes. So in this way, just I teach my students. But I want to get a job in IT sector like before. I was working.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And I have
Okay.
started, I think, ma'am, from 2 months before because I was just I used to connect with so many YouTubers. I have that channel. I have my channel, but I didn't upload any conversational videos or any English related videos there. But when I connect with so many YouTubers, like you said that when you saw your videos with other people, then you thought that yeah, why we should not upload our videos? So I think I thought also same thing, and then I uploaded so many videos on my channel. And also one thing is that while watching my videos be means the means the earliest videos, so then I found that yeah means where I made so many mistakes and in which area I have to work. So that's why that's the
Hmm.
main reason to upload my videos on YouTube. And also I want to do some or I want to make some motivational videos. So that's the main reason behind it.
Yeah, yeah. I when I started, we can say 5 months ago. Then I drop
Mm-hmm.
message. Now I'm learning. Now I'm uploading. If I'm doing any mistake, then please support me and don't send me this type of message. Ki yeah, now I made mistake. Then improve. So yeah, we can say that is a social media. You know, there are so many people want to watch this type of videos. We can say we also used to learn by the YouTube channel. I used to learn by the YouTube channel. I didn't take any class, but now I'm taking this session with the English Yari. So
Mm-hmm.
there is a class, and we can say uploading videos for purpose of uploading videos. Now we are killing two birds with a one stone, we can say.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, and that is a social media. And there are so many advanced level person was to watch this video. And beginner also, for beginner, that is a good because they also want to watch this video. If somebody has some problem, they can comment. And we
Yeah.
can say we can improve and we can make them understand. If you are in a initial time, then
Mm-hmm.
you have to do practice, and if you have any problem now, we are given so many facility by the social media. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we can say while watching video, so they also can watch. We can say learn this language.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Hmm.
Truly said.
Yes. Okay. So you have any question? Then if you have any topic, then you can ask. Then
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Have you faced any difficulties in your life you want to share with me? Means any difficulties, and after that you got relief, and you means how you able to overcome that difficulties or some problem in your life or any experience you have.
yeah. Actually, life is a problem, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Now, death is a very shortcut for going outside, then we can reduce any problem. But now we are living, and if we step out from our house, then we have a problem because we have to aware about the frequenting road by
Mm-hmm.
this, we can say taxi and this. Then we have a distraction. So, but yeah, if you want to know about my problem, I faced so many problem while speaking, while study time when I was child, when I was a student, then I faced it because
Mm-hmm.
every student has a sub problem of getting good marks. Then I
Mm-hmm.
had this problem. So I after inter because before we can say high school, 10th class, I didn't
Mm-hmm.
aware about this study. I used to play, I used to do crap with the friend, with the, we can say every person. But after getting good marks in a high school and after that in inter, and then I thought, oh, that is a, now I'm very mature. I got in a, we can say I was one girl in my family who got first position in a first time.
Oh.
So then I got glad myself and then I started to study. But unfortunately, I got married. Then within 1 year, I got baby girl. And then
Mhm.
I had to, we can say I did continue my study till the MA, but
Yes.
it was hectic. But I
Mhm.
didn't, we can say, lose my confidence. Ki, yeah, I have to do because that is a degree and that is
Mhm.
a lifetime of degree. If I want to do something in my life, I need degree because if you go for getting any job, then you have to show your degree.
Mhm.
Hmm? So without degree, you can't achieve any job, I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh. Then then I have completed my MA, and for that it was not we can say sufficient for me. We can say started teaching. Then I started teaching. It was very hectic because my husband is a railway employee. He comes after 3 days. So then
Mhm.
I used to handle everything. Now I have to handle everything. We can say he comes after 3 days, and after 1 day he has to go again.
Mhm.
So then I have lots of we can say responsibilities on my plate. Then yeah, that is a life. And now I got this opportunity of learning this language and uploading videos. So now I thought it is going well, then I don't need to join any school. Then I'm satisfaction of this. And after getting more and more fluency, then I will install my spoken class board
Mhm.
and then I will teach. So that is sufficient for a lady and I can enjoy myself because I have responsibilities of my house. Hmm?
Mhm.
If I get chance for join any hi-fi school and we can say I can get a handsome salary, so then I will join. Otherwise, yeah,
Mhm.
now it's going well. We can say YouTube channel and teaching. These are going well. Then I'm feeling very glad for myself. Yeah, I can speak like that and I'm doing something for
Mhm.
myself because if you do, then you have compulsion for
Mhm.
enhance this level. Otherwise, you always procrastinate yourself. Yeah, we
Mhm.
can say, I have lots of time. I can do this work tomorrow. Hmm?
Mhm.
But if you have a compulsory, because if you have to upload video, then you have to copy with the person. And after
Mhm.
seeing other person, then you also want to enhance this level. Oh my
Mhm.
God, he is better than me. Then I have to learn this language and I can be a good speaker. Hmm? So
Mhm.
that is we can say, and while teaching, if you fumble in front of a student, then it is very difficult for every teachers. Hmm?
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
that is also a compulsor for enhance this level. So I have a both compulsor for enhance my level. Then I always do practice with the every person whenever I get any message. So I always connect with them. I never deny, ki, yeah, because now we are speaking like that, we should not forget our first day.
Mhm.
Because
Yes,
there are so
ma'am.
many YouTubers. Yeah, there are so many
Mhm.
YouTubers. They are advanced level, they are trainer. Hmm? And
Mhm.
they always want to speak with the advanced level person because
Yeah,
they can
yeah.
reduce their viewers, subscribers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Yeah.
Because I felt same thing, and when I connected with two or three more people, okay, so they gave me the link, okay, and just I have waited for to when I will join. So after that, no response. Okay, from 2 days, I have sent mail to one YouTuber and just getting response also. Okay, and I waited for her means 2 or 3 hours. So after that, I did not get any response. So if you
Yeah.
don't, yeah, yeah, if you
Mhm.
don't have time, so you have to respond. Okay, you have to send one mail so that the other person will
Mhm.
not wait, right?
Yes. But yeah, maybe they don't know. Every dog has its day.
Yeah, yeah.
So now
Because
it's our day. Mhm.
because ma'am, we are the homemakers and we have lots of work. Okay, and means we have to take our time for any conversation or for ourselves. And if we utilize this time in any means without any productive way, so it is less means lost of time. So they have to
Mhm.
understand this means just only once if they will send one mail, so how much time it will take? Only 1 second, right? But they don't want to do this. And they also forget that yeah, they when they started their career, they were facing the same issue, but still they are treating like other they are treating with other people.
Mhm. Yeah, maybe we can say now they are actually they forget that is a lifetime process. You know, one is a race of crocodile and rabbit. Rabbit or crocodile? Hmm?
Rabbit and tortoise, ma'am.
Tortoise.
Tortoise,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So then we can say there are so many people and animals. They used to think he can't run because he is a crocodile. He can't tolerate his weight. But he was born. So
Yeah.
now it's a journey. We can't think about that person who is a beginner. They also can jump into the advanced level person without blinking.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that is a life. We can say we need practice, and I always do. So now I'm thinking, yeah, we should not ignore that person who is a beginner because now
Mm-hmm.
we are able to speak like that. Then we should help each other. That is a social media. What's the need of uploading video if we are not able to help each other? Hmm?
Mm-hmm. And one major
Yeah.
issue, ma'am, I find in this days means while talking with these people, so they want to upload this video fast, okay? Then they allow us to upload the video after that. And there are so many people they don't want to record this video because they say that first we will upload the video, and after that when we will get time, then we will meet and we will connect with each other and we'll record another video, okay? And tell me, ma'am, what happened when we talk with each other? So we just spend our time, right? Half an hour or 40 minutes we spend, and after that what we we got, we don't get that video. So it was really frustrating. Means I don't believe that. Yeah, it is good because you have so many subscribers and you are doing good. Okay, and when the beginner
Hmm.
is trying to do something, so if in your hand you can help him or her, so you can do it. But
Yeah.
okay, it is their choice. We means I don't want to discuss this negative things in
Hmm.
this video, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but we should help each other. Hmm?
Yeah.
Now we are like a English family.
Mm-hmm.
Without meeting with each other, we can't speak. We can't enhance this level because we can read. We
Mm-hmm.
don't have any teacher. We can say as a student, they have a teacher behind them. They always
Mm-hmm.
scold. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we can say if you are given this topic and you have to speak on the stage, otherwise you will be beaten if you don't speak. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
So we don't have this type of opportunity. That is our desire. And if you have audacity, then you will be a good speaker without doubt. So
Yeah.
yeah, we should have audacity, and yeah, we can say we. In my side, I always help any person. So I can't say other person. Yeah.
Yes, yes, ma'am. We should work on ourselves. Okay, it is their choice. It is their work. But for my opinion, I should help. Okay, whenever anyone needs any help, not only in English. Okay, in any other work, if they need some help, so I want to help them. So this is my nature. So okay, the other person what they are doing, it is not my matter. Okay, this is their matter. So they have to think on it, or if they will not think, so it is good. It is not bad for me.
Oh. They should be happy, and we should be
Hmm.
happy.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you feel now? Now you are able to speak, you are uploading video, you have confidence now. So
Hmm.
you feel glad for yourself?
Yes, ma'am, I feel glad. And simultaneously, I also feel I have to work more because I don't add so much vocabulary, advanced vocabulary while conversation or while speaking. So that's why I want to work. But ma'am, I don't have so much time to work on English because I also learning technical things because I am on the way. So that's why I just divide my time to learn these things and these things, so I don't get so much time. But whenever I find some words, some new vocabularies, then I thought that yeah, it will be good if I will use while speaking. Or
Okay.
one thing just I check in myself while talking. So while talking in about past, okay, so in that case I made so many mistakes. And while talking about present, so it is good for me, but while talking about past, so at that time I made mistake.
It happens with everyone. I also sometimes I make mistake about past. So I don't know when did I make mistake, but yeah, I always I'm caught by the English Yari. They are 10 and they always looking for or mistake. Yeah, when she make mistake, then I can rectify. Seema, you made this mistake. So
Mhm.
while actually knowing this type of mistake, we can erase. Hmm?
Mhm.
Good. Okay,
Yeah.
so apart from that, what do you do for learning this language? We can say while
I,
connecting with the people.
Yes, ma'am. While doing my household chores, so I watch videos, conversational videos, or any English videos. I like to watch. So, and after my dinner, I also used to watch so many videos. And about speaking, just I used to connect with so many YouTubers or so many co-learners, so that means it will enhance my speaking practice. And when I get time, so at that time I like to read books, and I like mostly the Sudha Murthy books.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I also like, but I have one chapter of Sudha Murthy. Oh, I learned this chapter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
So,
now,
ma'am, in one day I completed the whole book. Means
okay.
yeah, means during that day, just I take some time for my household chores. After that, whenever I get time, just I like to read all the chapter, all the means all the pages. So I completed in one day one book. I think
Okay,
300 pages are
according
there.
page you, according page you read book, or we can say according we can say story. Now I have to complete this story, that is sufficient for me.
No,
But
no. Yes, ma'am.
mhm,
When I start a story, then I think that what will happen next. So I have to read. That was my eagerness to read the story, to learn what will happen next. So that's why
mhm,
the story is in extending form. One story, and it is extending till the last page. So that's why
mhm.
I want to complete that story. So I completed in
Okay.
one.
How much do you take time while reading a story?
No, it doesn't take so much time, but yeah, there are so many vocabularies I find that yeah, they are difficult for me. So whenever I think
Mhm,
that yeah, I should underline that vocabulary, then I just underline it. Okay, but after
mhm,
underline or after closing my book, I don't want to means find out the meaning of that vocabulary. So this is only in my book.
mhm. So you actually, whatever you find any vocabulary, then you should jot down in a copy and check in a Google.
Yeah,
Hmm?
yeah.
And after learning, you should read again.
Yeah.
Then you can take very less time than before.
Yes, yes, ma'am. And also, ma'am, in Facebook also, ma'am, there are so many pages, grammar pages. Okay, I find there. So I just download the image, and I think that if I will print the all the pages, then I will keep it in my side. So while working or while teaching something else, so I just learn on this vocabulary. So I think I will
Mhm.
continue. I should.
Yeah, every day. Don't hurry. Yeah, in a one day I can learn so many vocabularies because vocabulary is like a stars. Hmm.
Mhm.
So step by step we can learn. We can't forget. Otherwise we can forget.
Yeah.
And I have one ladies group. Ladies
Mhm.
group. There's so many ladies group on WhatsApp.
Mhm. Mhm.
So there we can say we are given something activities for doing enhance
Okay.
this level. So yeah, you also can join.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Sure, I will join it. And ma'am, what are the activities you are doing in this group? I'm excited to know
Yeah,
about it.
yeah, I do something tongue twister. Hmm? And one is a chapter. We have to send our voice clip.
Okay.
Oh, how much time you took while speaking tongue twister and topic.
Okay,
So then
okay.
you have to send.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ladies group is, I think I am so much comfortable with
Now you
ladies, ma'am.
are listening. You are listening some voice, bustling voice. It is raining outside now. It started.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, ma'am, I means I'm so much comfortable with ladies, ma'am. If you are comfortable, then it will be okay. Otherwise, we will wrap up the session. If you are okay.
Mhm. Yeah. 1 second.
Yeah, yes, sure.
Yeah, actually, it's a heavy raining. Huh.
Okay.
Cats and dogs. Like
You
it's a raining cats.
okay. You
Uh,
you live in Kanpur, right, ma'am?
yes, and I was born in Ghaziabad nearby Noida, where you are
Okay.
living.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Okay, ma'am.
I actually went that time actually my sister she used to work in a
Mm-hmm.
company in Noida. Mm. So
Okay.
then I used to go with her. Then I saw Noida. That is a Noida. Noida is a very beautiful city.
Yeah, but we don't like ma'am because I like to only spend my time in village area, in green area, and in Noida
Oh,
there is high rise building. So
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
We are in
and
a place.
yes, ma'am.
We are in place.
Village means in any village or any area,
No,
greeny
no.
area.
Any place. Any place. You used to live in a village. So which
Uh,
place?
Greeny area, ma'am. Means there is no specific village. Okay, greeny area means less polluted area like this. So Noida is so much polluted, and
Hmm.
we cannot find here means street food. And when we want to go some for shopping, so we have to only go to the mall. There is no option. But in Delhi, there are so many options. You can go for shopping. Means there are so many shops. But here Noida, we have to only depend on the malls. So this is the main disadvantage of Noida.
What do you like? But you have options of online shopping. What do you
Yes,
prefer?
ma'am.
Offline, online shopping?
Offline is better, according to me, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, that is a good. We can touch any dress and we can wear and we can see
Yes.
yourself in front of mirror. Huh?
Yeah, yeah,
And we
yeah.
can bargain now as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. This is the main thing which all ladies want to do.
Ah, okay, you also bargain.
Yeah, yeah.
But,
Ma'am, yeah, we don't have so much time, ma'am. We have already completed, I think, 35 minutes. So
oh
only,
my God. Okay, okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
only we have 2 minutes left. So we have to wrap up the session.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to record this video, you can record and I will make another video. Huh?
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am, sure. And thank
Okay.
you so much, ma'am, for connecting with me. And it was a very nice session with you because you were a very pleasant person. Okay, the conversation is okay, but you are a very pleasant person, and I felt so much happy. I feel happy while connecting with you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And
Have a
till
nice
then,
day,
keep
ma'am.
practicing, have fun.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
thank
sure,
you.
ma'am. Okay, 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 ma'am. Bye.
Bye.